In this Slick AI review, I'm going to be showing you a product that can help you run unlimited webinars, video conference meetings and video chats. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Slick AI is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get Slick AI at any time during this video, make sure you click the link down below which can give you my exclusive bonuses which you're gonna be getting in the members area right inside Warrior Plus. Now let's have a look at the sales page. So it says here, world's premier automated AI app that exploits the Zoom killer technology and gives us instant access to unlimited webinars, video conference meetings and video chats, and includes an inbuilt screen recorder, 3D videos, video hosting and editor, and no monthly fees ever. To understand this a little better, I'm going to be showing you a video of Slick AI, and after that I'm going to be also showing you a tutorial on how you can use Slick AI to run webinars, video conference meetings and all that.
Finally! You can stop throwing your hard-earned money on expensive webinar and online meeting software tools that charge you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single year. With Slick AI, you can host unlimited webinars, live conferences, video meetings, and video chats at an insanely low one-time fee. Plus much more. We also include a 3D video creator app with unlimited video hosting. You can also use the limitless inbuilt screen recorder to monetize all of your video content multiple times. And you can create unlimited logos and edit unlimited images and videos. That's right. You pay once and you can use all of it forever. What's even better is, with a small investment, you'll enjoy the benefit of generating high-ticket sales using world's premier Zoom killer technology with unlimited free SSL encryption protection. If that's not enough, we also promise no more restrictions, no more attendance issues, no more poor presentations, no more engagement issues, no more technical issues, and more. All this is available for you without additional cost. We know how frustrated you are with your current webinar, video conference meeting, and video chat tools. Not mentioning very expensive video creators and hosting. Because even though you're paying a lot of money every month, you still deal with many issues. Issues like low attendance levels, no engagement, technical issues, no backup, no recordings, poor customer service. To top it off, unless you're paying for a premium service, customer support just doesn't take your issues seriously. Far too often, you're left in the dark and lose money because your webinar or video chat simply doesn't work or constantly freezes out. Once you switch to Slick AI, all that will be a thing of the past. You'll never have to worry about any of these issues, which can lead to lower conversions and missed sales opportunities. Slick AI instantly saves you thousands of dollars yearly and allows you to easily generate high-ticket commissions on demand. Yes, most marketers make $1,000 to $2,000 per sale this way. That alone will give you a peace of mind, knowing that your offers are generating enough income and that your automated webinars are making you sales 24 hours a day without a hiccup. And last but not least, we promise a much better service than what you get from expensive webinar and video chat companies. We'll always be ready to help you 24 hours a day. For a silly low launch period, only price of $17. You can gain access to all the amazing features we offer on this page. So why wait? Switch to Slick AI today and start saving money and earning potential high-ticket commissions at the same time. Of course, you are fully protected by our money-back guarantee. Yes, we're putting our money where our mouth is. You can test drive Slick AI, and if you don't like it, we'll send you your money back. Click on the Buy Now button below this video. We can't wait to personally connect with you on the next page.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video explaining about Slick AI. Now I'm going to be showing you the tutorial, and after you guys watch the tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the different OTOs and upgrades. Before we jump into the OTOs and upgrades, let's have a look at the price of Slick AI. So if you scroll all the way to the bottom of the sales page, you can see that the price of Slick AI is about $16.93. So if you want to buy this product, you can go ahead and buy this from here. So Slick AI has a total of 7 OTOs, and the first OTO, which is the unlimited version, will cost you $39. Then comes the second OTO, which is the DFY version, which costs $197. Then comes the third OTO, which is automation, and it is $39. Then comes 6 figures, which is $197. Then comes platinum, which is $39. Then comes diamond, which is $49. And the last OTO is the reseller, which will cost you $197. So you can upgrade the Slick AI based on your needs. I hope you enjoyed this review of Slick AI. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.